You're a successful, educated adult. But the moment you speak English, you sound like a child. Short sentences, simple words, none of the nuance you actually think in. That gap feels humiliating. So instead of speaking simply, you often just stay silent. Here's why that happens, and why simple English isn't actually beneath you. Here's what's really going on. Your adult mind is advanced, full of complex ideas, professional judgment, sharp opinions. But your English motor skills, the actual muscle memory of speaking, are still catching up. It's like putting a powerful engine into a frame that hasn't been built to match its power yet. The engine isn't the problem. The mismatch between your intellect and your current speaking level is what creates the embarrassment, not any real lack of intelligence. This is the before state, a powerful mind forced into simple sentences, feeling like a downgrade every time you speak. The engine roars, but the frame around it can't yet handle the power, so nothing moves smoothly. Here's how to close that gap without waiting years to feel smart again in English. Step 1. Practice high concept, simple syntax phrasing. You can express a genuinely advanced idea using short, simple sentences. This will save costs, but slow us down, is still a sharp, adult idea, just delivered simply. Step 2. Separate intelligence from vocabulary size. Adults with the richest ideas in any language still communicate them in the simplest possible words. Simplicity is not the opposite of intelligence. It's often the sign of it. Step 3. Let the frame catch up gradually. Speaking simply now doesn't mean staying simple forever. It means giving your English motor skills room to build strength, the same way any new skill develops over time. This is the after. Same sharp mind, but now moving smoothly instead of stalling. Simple English isn't a downgrade anymore. It's just the current shape of a powerful idea. Try this today. Say one complex thought using only simple words, out loud, right now. What's the one topic where you feel the smartest in your own language, but the most stuck in English? Tell me in the comments. Subscribe. Simba Eduzone posts a new English mindset video every week.